Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the delivery country in the Trendyol app. So before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trendyol app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our sales, some deals, some articles, some recommendations. But from here we have to go and tap on the little person icon in the bottom right corner. Here at the bottom in the more section we find deliver to, and if we tap on this, then we get a little list of different countries that we can select to add as the delivery country to the Trendyol app account that we have. For example, let's say we select Hungary, and then the app is going to reload, and then we have Hungary here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.